my name is Layla, and this is Elsa. You should see. Hi. We are, yeah, both of us are going to be playing, what was it called again? Hide and seek. Yeah, hide and go seek. So, do you know how it goes? So, the person has to count and the other people have to hide. And then, my hair's messed up. Why did you just do my hair first and then we could do the video? Sorry, you never told me that I could do that. Well, now I just did. It's all messed up. I want to get a hairdo. A hairdo. I don't care if I just woke up and this got a mess. I want a hairdo. You too, people. If your hair is a mess, do it. Why? Okay, we're gonna do a hairdo. 1 second, guys. So we're back. We just had to do her ridiculous hair. Hey! We brought our cat. She got a little boo-boo on her ear. She accidentally scratched it. So we're going to leave her right there and play hide and go seek. We just wanted to show her because we were just going to show you her ear. The dog has a broke eye, but it's okay. He's almost feeling better. Elsa's a toddler. Nobody's recording me. A soda's recording me because I put my tablet on the soda and then I did a 5-second rule and then I just got ready. You know how it goes, right? Today's Sunday. That's why I'm not going to school. Today we're going to get a Ford. A Ford is a car. If you have a Ford, cool. Okay. 1 second. Sorry, I had to blow my nose. Okay, she's gonna count. We just, before I blew my nose, she wanted to be the counter. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. 6, 7. When we play hide and seek, she never finds me in here. Let me turn on the light so that you can see me. Right here, now, here I come. She's coming. She said she's never gonna find me in here. Okay, she's right on the door. So I'm gonna show you her right now. If I can't show you her too bad. It was so quiet. I know. I was like so scared, and I didn't know that you were right there. Like it was so weird. I know, right? Like. I know. That was like so weird. Like, well, toddler Elsa found me. If you watch my channels, good for you. If you're one of my subscribers, then thank you. We need to take you back tomorrow. But you have school tomorrow. Once again, but nothing. Oh, oh. Sorry, she's gonna whine for a little bit, but I'll take care of this before she cries.
That was fun. Singing always makes me feel so good.
She's crying now. Let me turn off the light because I don't want to waste the light. I'm sorry for doing this, but I don't want to go to school tomorrow. She wants to stay with us. Yeah, I want to stay with you. Seriously. Look at our floor. Our bathroom, yeah, it's good. But our room, just like the living room, just a little messier. Well, if Elsa stops crying, I'll keep on recording. But if Elsa doesn't stop, I'd stop crying. I just started to stop. Ow! Okay, let's go.